Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 video editing apps for Android. Whether you're a casual video editor or a professional, there's something for everyone. So let's get started. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. The first app on our list is Filmora. Its user-friendly interface allows you to quickly add and adjust text, images, and audio, as well as add transitions and effects. And with its intuitive timeline, you can easily fine-tune your video, making it look professional. Filmora also offers a range of editing features, such as the ability to crop, trim, rotate, adjust speed, and more. You can also add text overlays, filters, and transitions to give your video a unique look. When you're finished editing your video, Filmora offers a range of output options, such as saving to your computer, sharing on social media, or burning to a DVD. Filmora is an excellent choice. The second app is KineMaster. It's a great choice for those who want more advanced editing tools. It has a wide range of features, including the ability to add layers, transitions, and special effects. It also has a wide range of export options, making it great for sharing videos with friends and family. KineMaster lets you choose from hundreds of different transitions, filters, animations, and effects so you can make any video look amazing. Plus, you can easily add text, music, and even your own voiceovers to really make your videos stand out. So if you're looking for an easy-to-use and powerful video editing solution, then KineMaster is definitely the app for you. Download it now and start making awesome videos. The third app is PowerDirector. PowerDirector Mobile makes editing videos on the go easier than ever. With intuitive controls, you can quickly and easily trim, rotate, and crop your footage. You can also add music, transitions, and special effects with just a few taps. Plus, with PowerDirector Mobile, you can export high-quality videos in seconds. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform, PowerDirector Mobile has you covered. The fourth app on our list is Inshot. This is an app that allows you to easily edit and enhance your videos. It has tons of features like filters, transitions, music, and much more. It's easy to use and you can quickly create amazing videos for YouTube or any other platform. You can choose from a wide variety of filters to give your videos a unique look. There are tons of transitions to choose from that will help you make your videos look more professional. You can add music to your videos to make it more interesting. You can add text to your videos to make them more engaging. You can also add effects to make your videos more creative. The last app on our list is VideoShow, the perfect video editing app for your mobile device. With VideoShow, you can easily trim and combine clips, add text and effects, and even add music and voiceovers. Plus, you can even upload your video directly to your favorite social media sites. VideoShow is perfect for all kinds of video projects, from family home movies to school projects. And best of all, it's free. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 video editing apps for Android. I hope this video was helpful in helping you decide which app is right for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.